Welcome to my channel Busy Architecture. This is Mohammed Azad. I am going to show you how to create a foundation wall and footings using Autodesk Revit. Again, we're going to review one of the most important structural elements is called footings and foundation. I recently find out that one of the video tutorial, I thought I also going to create the same kind of concept for my viewers, which is they can also benefiting to using the same style or same way creating the foundation walls and footings. Let's get started. You need to first open there is a templates, construction templates, architectural templates, structural template, in mechanical templates. All the templates is here, but I'm going to use structural templates. Here I am. Very simple. You need to go any of the elevation. You can click it here to get into the elevation, or you can go right here in the property browser, get the elevation. So I'm going to go in, let's see, I'm going to south elevation. All right, south elevation, and I'm going to name it first. I like to name it first so that can be a little bit identical, what is what. So I'm just gonna erase that. I'm gonna say foundation, foundation. That will be the foundation. And the next one, or it's gonna say, would you like to rename the corresponding views? You're gonna say yes, I want it corresponding. Okay, I want to change this one to, it's called first floor. First floor framing. And return. We'll ask the same thing. Would you like to rename corresponding view? Yes. Now I'm just gonna offset it. When you put a negative, I said offsetting it. So I'm gonna do an offset, let's say 10 inch. And this one, first floor framing, I'm just gonna say 00. That's it. I'm done with elevation. Now I need to go back in first floor, start creating my walls, foundation wall. Let's go to structure. It's right here in the corner. Click it and go to wall, structural, find the right type of wall you are looking for. There is a last bunch of different kind of walls there, but I'm going to use foundation 12-inch concrete, but I do not like 12-inch. If you do not like the dimension or anything, you always can change it. I'm going to show you one, but in your future project or anything you can use it. So go to edit type, and always you need to duplicate it. So duplicate name, I'm not going to change it much. I'm going to say that will be the 11-inch concrete wall, and okay. And it's not done, you just change the name. Now you need to change the length is here, structure. So you're gonna say 0 and 11-inch. Good. Say okay. Okay. Now your basic wall, which is foundation wall, 11-inch concrete, ready to take it. So you come here, first click, and then you look for your vertical length. What do you want? I will say 30 feet and enter, and I'm gonna say 35 feet. And here is going to help you, the Revit is going to help you to intersect. So boom, is done. Let me zoom in. Now if I go to modify, and here, and is asking you, the top constant is the up to the first floor. It's not up to the first floor, it will be the foundation wall. And same for all, actually same for all. You need to change it to foundation wall. And here offset is 0, 0, right? Okay. So here it is. Now if you want to see realistic, right, you can just change it to realistic. My wall is a little bit narrow, but this is a training modules, this is not a real life things. I'm not going to be changing it, but the idea is if you want to be your wall is higher or lower, you can just go ahead and change it. I'm not going to change it. Now from here, as you can just hover over in wall, is called a structural foundation. Okay, you can just click this one. Now this structural wall is right here. It said wall foundation bearing footings 36 by 12 inches, which is 3 feet by 1 feet. But if you want to change it, you have the same idea. You can go to edit type, and then change it. That's perfectly fine. But I'm not going to change it. So you come here, choose the wall, click it. Now you have a footing, you have the foundation wall. Okay. If you want to see everything is okay, whether you did it, that's also you can do. Just going to the foundation, zoom in, I'm just trying to do it shaded or now if you go to annotation line, you go see is 3 foot, and then same thing, but you cannot measure this one here until you change the place dimension. Go to wall faces and you come here, sorry, my bad. That's 12 inches. And that's it. That's all I have how to create a foundation wall and footings. You can lock it if you want to, but let me go back to the 3D view to show you how it look like. This is your footings, this is your foundation wall. Okay, hopefully you learned something from here. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and like it, or if you have better tutorial, please link it to a drop me a link. I want to review, I want to learn. And other than, you have a wonderful day. See you in the next tutorial.